KVH Industries here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show 2011. Here to introduce the TrackVision HD11, which is our first antenna into the 1 meter market for super yachts around the world. And pretty excited about this product. One of the big features to it is the capability for worldwide travel without having to switch the LNB. So as you can see here from the antenna, it's extremely robust, has extremely rigid frame, and one of the big benefits that captains and crew and owners will feel is they will never have to touch the antenna as they travel from region to region around the world with a global LNB. Additionally, here in the US, it will offer DirecTv HD, simultaneous tracking of 3 satellites with our triad feed. So it gives you the ability to essentially replicate the home market or the home experience with the HD11. Full DVR support and HD, which has never been available to these customers until now. So if you look here, you see the internal mechanism itself. You have the built-in GSM module for remote diagnostics. So if there's any questions, need any troubleshooting on board, we can do that remotely from KVH headquarters in Rhode Island, or the dealer involved can also remotely tap into the system. The antenna itself is obviously it's actually a 4-axis antenna when you factor in the auto skew as well. So you can see here it's a really clean, very rigid design. It has the ability to, it's going to track under all conditions, and to the point where the customer is never going to have to think about TV and having anything fixed again. It has 2 service hatches. So during installation, you keep the radome on the antenna, which is a big benefit. Helps simplify the installation a little bit. And a couple other things we've done here on some of the installation side are some of our below deck equipment. So if we take a look over here, this is the control unit for the antenna, which is an IP-enabled system, which allows you to connect it to an internet access point on board, like either 3G or Wi-Fi in the marina, or via KVH TrackPhone V7 VSAT system. And that allows us to, like I said before, tap into it remotely with the 3G antenna there, or via the IP system. Additionally, you have a what we call an RF smart switch, and what this is really going to do is 2 things. It handles a dual dome installation for automatic switching between port and starboard antennas when you have blockage, so you can have seamless TV without ever having to be blocked. And on top of that, it gives you the ability to have the switching between DirecTv in the US, DirecTv Latin America, service in Europe and the Mediterranean, without ever having to touch the installation. So all you do is push a button on the iPad app or on the control unit, or on the web face, the IP web face interface protocol. And then from there you have the ability just to switch from DirecTv US to DirecTv Latin America with a push of a button. Again, never having to swap the LNB and never having to rewire the boat for different multi-switches. So all things considered, it really answers a lot of the questions that customers have been asking for with previous systems. On top of that, we also have a $3,000 cashback rebate that's available through the end of the year for customers that are looking to upgrade their existing system. So it'll help with the cost of installation, and so that's a nice benefit before the end of 2011. So in short, we think we have a pretty good, unique product here that will allow the customers to have what they've really been looking for in this mega yacht and what they deserve on these million-dollar boats. So for any questions, definitely call Concord Marine Electronics. They can answer all your questions and help with any of your marine electronics needs.